How to add zip code to vanilla gift card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in vanillagift.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Vanilla Gift. Now you have to log into your account. At the top right you will find this option of sign in. Click on it. Now provide your credentials over here. Type in the email address and then password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option forget your password to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in and with that you will be logged into your account. After you log into your account, now over here you will see this option of check balance. You have to click on it. Now you have to fill this, provide your card details. Type in your card number and then type in the expiration date and then CVV. Once you fill all these, you will be good to go. Click on the option of continue. And in the next page, you will get the option of assign a zip code. Over there, type in the zip code and click on done. And with that, you will be good to go. Your zip code will be updated to your Vanilla gift card. So this is how you can easily add zip code to Vanilla gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.